Hi, I'm Dustin from Kanomax USA, and today I'll be giving an overview of how to get started with your Kanomax handheld particle counter. These devices contain some of the most advanced technology in the industry, designed for high accuracy and performance, so it's important that you understand what tools you'll be using with your device. There are two handheld particle counter models available, models 3888 and 3889. Model 3888 displays 3 particle sizes simultaneously, 0.3, 0.5, and 5.0 microns. And Model 3889 displays 6 particle sizes simultaneously, 0.3, 0.5, 1.0, 3.0, 5.0, and 10.0 microns. Both models display measurements in count per cubic foot, or count per cubic meter. The AC adapter charges the internal batteries and powers the device directly. The USB cable is used for interfacing with PCs or printers. The PC measurement software provides remote control of the particle counter and displays measured data. The zero count filter and tubing helps purge your device before taking measurements. And lastly, the protective cap covers the inlet. If you're looking for even more functionality and convenience, we offer optional accessories. The cradle allows you to wirelessly connect your PC to the handheld particle counter via Wi-Fi and connect the device to a virtual network via Ethernet or RS-485. The cradle also supports Modbus protocols, so you can call information from your handheld particle counter through the master in your network of industrial devices. A temperature and humidity probe allows you to use the device for measuring temperature and humidity. An isokinetic suction nozzle enables sampling at the same velocity as the suction created by the particle counter's pump. A portable printer for printing records on the go. And a rugged Pelican carrying case is also available for when you're on the go. Prior to using the instrument, it's important to purge it with the provided zero count filter. Start by attaching the provided zero count filter to the bare inlet, power on your device, and press the start button. Perform a continuous measurement for 10 to 15 minutes until the measuring count value is steady for 10 seconds or more. After measuring, remove the zero count filter from the inlet. Now that the device is purged, you can begin measuring the space. Measured data can be displayed on a bar graph or circle graph. The particle count can be shown as cumulative, displaying all particle sizes, or differential, displaying a select range of particle sizes. From the home screen, select the On-Screen Measurement Setup button. On the following screen, you have a number of options for configuring how your particle counter takes measurements. We'll come back to each of these submenus in a moment, but let's focus on fulfilling this current measurement. Select the on-screen button labeled Mode. Here you'll select the measurement mode suitable for your tests. There are 6 options: Repeat, Single, Continuous, Calculation, ISO, and GB. Repeat mode repeats a measurement of the configured sampling time and cycle. Single mode performs a measurement only once. Continuous mode continues a measurement until the stop button's pressed. Calculation mode performs the same process as repeat mode, but after finishing, the device calculates the average, standard deviation, maximum, and minimum. ISO mode performs measurements in accordance with ISO 14644, and GB mode performs measurements in accordance with the Chinese national standard. For this demo, we'll select single mode. Next, label your location number and input your sampling time for 1 cycle. After you're done configuring your measurement, return to the home screen by pressing the home button. To start measuring, press the on-screen start button and let it run. With the basics of measuring down, let's look at the measurement setup screen again. Besides mode, there are 4 other options: Remote, Alarm, Save, and Temperature/Humidity. The Alarm submenu lets you configure the alarm setting for the measured values and the cumulative value. You can turn it on or off, and you can set the threshold at which the alarm will go off. The Save submenu gives you the option to toggle saving or not saving measurements. The Remote submenu provides settings for performing measurements via a tethered computer. You can set the communication method and adjust each of their parameters, and you can connect yourself to a remote computer using the connection function. The Temperature/Humidity submenu is used for enabling measurement with the Temperature/Humidity probe and selecting the temperature unit. Selecting the preset button from the home screen provides you with 3 preset numbers: Selecting one of these presets will let you then configure measurement parameters for each of the 6 measurement modes. Just pick one and on the following screen set or confirm your conditions. Presets are a quick way to recall common measurement conditions, saving you time when taking different measurements. Selecting the history menu from the home screen allows you to review prior measurement results. Your results are categorized under the mode you used to take the measurement. Selecting one of the modes will show you a log of all your results. To navigate them, press the left or right arrow buttons, or if you select the numbered button, you can jump to any numbered log. And to select the unit you want to review your results with, press the count button. When you're ready to print your results, just press print. The last menu to go over is the general settings. In this menu, you're given the option to configure your units, calendar, data, language, and sound settings. For units, you have 3 options to choose from: measured particle count per cubic meter, and particle count per cubic foot. And under data, you can observe the remaining memory of the particle counter, number of records, and you can copy or delete all files. To copy all of the files, insert a USB flash drive into the USB port on the particle counter body and tap Copy All, then just confirm by tapping Yes. And lastly, to access information related to your instrument, like the last calibration date or the current firmware version, you can find it under the Information option.